Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. Today Friday 13 and okay, it's just 8 o'clock in the morning, but it's rain. Second thing, I accidentally delayed all my videos from Britas Bay, what I did for you, and the vlog was ready and I just supposed to upload, but it's gone. Like 10 kilometers beach walk with 28 degrees and everything's gone. Okay, I have a chance to go to Britas Bay again. It's fine, I love this place. And third things, I broke my super beautiful keyring from Fuerteventura from René Egli. Okay, I put this together, but it was another part and was just gone. And I found this on my seat, and oh, it's not about the value, it's about the memories, because everything about Fuerteventura make me happy straight away. And I got this keyring from them. Yeah, probably I shop a lot, that's the one reason. But also I tagged the René Egli many times on my Instagram, and they like me back, they follow me back, they text me after. And this keyring, it's always from I think 2 years with me, with the backpack from Mystique, of course, because like most of the time you can see me only in Mystique clothes. Okay, today I'm from the Teatro Romano Cartagena, but just Friday 13 I want to wear something black, you know, to be like part of the mood. Okay, now the rain is stopped and it's cloudy, but it's not that bad. I think Britas Bay can be sunny again, and I want to go to the beach just because I need beach, and I want to use the sun how much it's possible, because just because we have a sun from last month, that's mean cannot be forever, and maybe that's it. Maybe we start rain and cloud again. Why I just want to spend all 3 seconds with the sun, with the sand on the beach, just relaxing and reading books. And maybe I can do again a vlog about the Britas Bay, but the walk was very long and difficult, and I walked with a tripod, was heavy, was sand everywhere, and I did really good shots and everything is gone. Happened. Maybe it was not enough good, maybe I need to come back to show you something more. Always it's some reason, just it's happened. Okay guys, I was in McDonald's already for breakfast, just like, you know, bad habit, but why not. Also I did some shopping in the morning, like I wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning today. I have no idea why, maybe just because of the weather, and I feel like super full of energy. Why I want to go somewhere, do something, but also I don't really want to travel and do like research and reading and walking around. Why I think the beach will be the best way. Also I want to focus on Skellig Michael, and I want to go there as soon as possible. I'm not sure that 2 or 3 weeks it's enough to book the trip there, but I just want to go there. And I started watching videos and reading about the stuff, and it's not about the Star Wars, it's one of the part, why not, but I just want to go and I want to see, because it looks spectacular and I want to be part of this trip. That means that the biggest plan right now is the Skellig Michael, and I will be focused on this one. But now I just need to maybe change t-shirt for something lighter, and I'm going to the beach. Guys, I'm in the Britas Bay. I decided to do one more time Britas Bay beach for you, because I just want this done, and I know I told you already I cancelled this, unfortunately, accidentally, it just happened. And I'm in the Britas Bay and I'm preparing myself to do vlog for you about the Britas Bay. Yeah, it's not really juicy weather today. Yeah, it's some kind of blue sky, but it's cold. I have a hoodie and I'm not sure it's good idea, maybe supposed to be something stronger like jacket, but whatever. Yeah, for sure I can do something really nice even without blue sky, and it's quite small beach today, but the place looks very busy. Yeah, that's my plan for now. I found this ring when I did some deep cleaning in my wardrobe. That's Swarovski black diamonds, and I bought this long time ago. Actually, I don't know why, but probably it's beautiful, probably I just want it. And I have a bracelet as a set for that, and I decided to start using even a few times per year. Better than nothing. It's very heavy, but it's beautiful, and with a very tan skin looks really cool. Okay, I'm already at home, just I need to change my clothes and I want to go to Ikea. I just need few things. Mostly I need the foil bag for the snacks and something bigger one for the clothes and shoes, because I have a sand everywhere, and that's the main reason. And maybe some hot dogs, we will see. But next stop, Ikea. Okay, I'm in Ikea already, just quick shopping and I want to back home. Looks quite empty today, maybe we'll be fine, but I hate when there's too many people and everybody just walking around and actually not buying, just come here to just spend some time. That's really annoying, but hopefully I can just grab my few things and I can run. Okay guys, Ikea done. I'm so happy. It was like 5 minutes actually. I just want to quick show you what I bought. Maybe I'll start from this one. How I told you before, the Ikea bag. That's my favorite size, and I'm using this for the food and for the bigger one for food, for snack, and smaller and bigger for clothes, for t-shirt, for whatever I need. I just putting stuff inside, I just pressing, I take out all air. They're working like small vacuum bags, very helpful. And I bought two containers, food, glass one, plastic top unfortunately, but they are very good. They're working really well, they're not leaking. And I think one is for, that's €2 and this €3 or something like that. I just need them. I have a one very small one, like half of this, but I want to back to having food with me, like salads or something even simple, because I need to back to very clean food and maybe Dombrowska diet again. And I need containers. I won't carry food with me all the time, and I won't skip all places where I usually go into eat, because I just need to focus on a really clean, pure food. And now I show you completely not pure and clean, something very processed, but I like it. Okay, that's my containers and the bag. And this one is food. I like Ikea stuff. Like, I don't like stuff from the restaurant, but I like some products. That's my favorite ketchup. I think it's better even than Heinz. I know Heinz is the best ever, but this one is better, and I think costs €20 or something. I have a gherkins because I want hot dogs, and these gherkins are the best ever. I have a black caviar because tonight I want to have a poached eggs with the caviar and some bechamel on the top on a brown bread, just like, you know, Fanabery, but I want this, and this one is quite well. I have roasted onion. Why not? I don't want it right now, but sometimes you just need this crunchy, something salty stuff to make you happy. And it's finished. I bought another one. I don't know how much it is. I have a receipt, but doesn't matter. This one is this is mustard sauce in some kind of fish. I just want to try this one. I never saw this before. Just maybe as a snacks one day. I'm not sure. It was like €20 or something. And I have that's horseradish sauce, but for me it's more like tartar, because I think it's gherkins and shallots here. It's very tasty. And I have elderflower syrup. Just, you know, sometimes you can drop 1 spoon to bottle of water and taste is much nicer. And I really like this one. I try many, and this one is my favorite. Yeah, that's it. I have a, sorry, that will be very loud. I just want to put everything back. Okay, that's done. Yeah, it was fast. Now I need to go to petrol station to tank my car and clean some windows because they are super dirty because of the tree. And what I gonna do? Yeah, I want to do like supper, something nice. I really want poached eggs. I don't know why, just maybe I need more energy. But I have a Tesco beside the house. I don't need to run around to buy just eggs. Hopefully I have everything else. And I show you just my poached eggs and what I have for supper tonight, and I think that will be all for today. I have a vlog from Brita's Bray, and actually I have a lot of work. I just need to spend a good few hours on the computer right now to make these 2 vlogs ready for tomorrow if it's possible, because tomorrow it's another day and you never know what can happen, and I want everything done if it's possible tonight. That means you can expect this video very soon. Guys, thank you very much for spending the day with me, and see you shortly.